How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. In this episode I'm gonna unbox and review this portable metal bandsaw by WEN. I've been in the market for a small metal bandsaw for a while, but I couldn't afford big brands like Milwaukee or DeWalt or Makita, so I decided to give this WEN a go. Let's see what's inside this box. So we got our bandsaw blade here on top. Okay, so it comes with manual, blade, two Allen keys. This saw has capacity of cutting 5-inch wide by 5-inch deep, and it has 6 different speeds. It could cut from 60 to 420 feet per minute. It has those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it doesn't say in manual which number is which speed. So I did a little math and I figured out. We take 420, which is final speed, minus first speed, 60, we get 360, and we have 5 more speeds. So we divide it by 5 and we get 72. So 72 is our step gear, or whatever you want to call it. So 60 plus 72, 132 plus 72, 204, and so on, 276, 348 and 420. So this may be handy for someone who's trying to figure out which number is what speed. Let's install the blade and try to cut something. Turn this to loosen. It also has this LED light, which is pretty handy. Alright, so this is first speed. Let's try to turn it on. Cool, let's cut something. Let's try to cut from other angle. Yeah, 1/4-inch brass was a piece of cake for this saw. So next piece we're gonna cut this 2x3 mild steel angle iron with a 1/4-inch wall. Before we do that, let's change our speed, remember? So we'll change it to third one, which is 204 feet per minute. This is very clean cut. Alright, so our next thing we're gonna cut is this metal pin. It's almost 1 inch thick. Let's see how well it's gonna do on this one. Not bad. That's pretty cool actually. Look at that clean cut. I really like it. Next experiment. This is fiberglass rebar. I know it's not steel. I'm just more curious how it's gonna cut through this. But I do have pretty big piece of metal rebar as well, which gonna be next. No problemo. Okay, some heavy artillery. This is 1.5 inch thick piece of rebar. Let's see what our saw has to say. That took quite a while actually. Take a look, guys. I can touch it right away. It's not sharp. I like this saw. Way better than grinder. Okay, and just for fun, let's cut another piece of brass. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this saw so far. In my next videos I plan to make a stand for it, so I can cut my knife blanks on it. Alright guys, I think we went through a good cutting test. We did some brass, mild steel, more likely hardened steel, I'm gonna have to check it out, angle iron, and it did alright. Again, I don't push you to buy anything, but if you are interested, I'm gonna leave you a link in the description where you can buy one, either on eBay or Amazon. Well, this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscription to my channel. I'm gonna post lots of good videos in the future, so you don't wanna miss that. Might as well hit that bell notification button too. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now!